Okay, I've got a 2003 RX1 Mountain, means extended track. I'm going to show you how to adjust the drivetrain chain. Okay, all you need is a 12mm wrench and a 14mm wrench. Take the 14mm wrench, I'm going to get flush with the light. Down here on the side, the radiator or the coolant deal is here on the right side of the snowmobile, just down by the brake disc. There's a bolt. Right below you'll see a dipstick there. There's the bolt right there. You take your 14mm wrench and you loosen the nut that's on it. After you get the nut loose, I'll just turn it out a little bit. Then you take and turn in the other bolt, finger tight, clockwise, till you can't turn it no more. And then you take the 14mm and you tighten the lock nut back up. And make sure you turn it clockwise, finger tight as far as you can, and then you tighten up the lock nut without letting the other one turn, and it'll be tight.